It's time for the Wysiwyg, because what you see should be what you get. And now we're bringing it into Elementor forms with the power of SuperGloo. Grab a coffee and we'll get this done right now. The first step is to open Gloo. Come into Form Extensions, toggle it on. Go to Settings, then toggle on Wysiwyg field. Come into Elementor Editor. Bring in a new Elementor form. Let's add a new item. Let's come to Type, select Wysiwyg, give it a name like Formatted Text. And as you can see, you have many options to toggle on or off according to your heart's content. Come into Advanced and you even have more of them. Now, once you're done toggling that on or off, click on Update, come to the front end, and there you have it, formatted text. Let's fill this out. Name, nice to meet you. Email, you at email.com. Let's paste in some text. Make this a H1. Let's add a link to this. Click on Insert, click on Link, gloo.ooo. Okay. Let's drag this down and add even more texts like do subscribe. Hit send. Thank you. And before you go, remember you can use this with our front-end post submission, front-end post editing, front-end user submission, front-end user editing, and all of the other form extensions. It doesn't end here. We'll be back with much more. Stay tuned.